Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Drums are knocking at the twilight breeze. Lion heart move gentle like the seas. Bassline soft and the moon so bright, calling the spirit fi rise tonight. Me step on the earth with steady mind. Every footstep search for peace fi find. The world a race but me choose slow pace. Hold the truth and guard the sacred space. Storms may roll but me roots run deep. Through darkest hour Jah blessings keep. Not a crown me chase nor a throne me need. Just pure vibration, soul run free. Me see the elders reasoning wise. Teach the youth fi open up them eyes. Them say patience shape a stronger man. Hold firm to purpose, follow Jah plan. The system try distract me head, but clarity shine where hope is spread. Me chant for the ones who walk alone, to remind them strength still carve them home. Golden roots rising through the night, guide each spirit into light. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every heartbeat start to sing. Golden roots growing wide and strong. Carry the people all along. One bright flame we hold inside. Spread the warmth through every stride. Me all a vision clear and tall. Unity break every wall. Me see smiles returning bitter times, and courage echo in hidden rhymes. The ground beneath me feel alive. Push me forward, help me thrive. Even when shadows closing tight, hope still whisper, fi stand upright. Children paint dreams in glowing shade, more colorful than what history made. Me see the future in them eyes, a brighter dawn where soon will rise. Drum beat lift them step again. Wash them sorrow, ease them pain. Me chant for joy, for reign supreme. Turn each moment into dream. Hold on steady, keep your fire. Let it guide your heart much higher. Every soul a priceless gem. Jah love cradle all of them. No division, no despair. Only truth flow through the air. Golden roots rising through the night. Guide each spirit into light. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every heartbeat start to sing. Golden roots growing wide and strong. Carry the people all along. Golden roots forever bright. Turn the darkness into light. When the night fall, whisper low. Let your natural essence glow. Golden roots keep holding you till morning sun come shining through.
Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Quiet steps, but me spirit load on board. Calm face, revolutionary art from start. Me rebel without danger, wild display. Quiet way. Me resistance subtle but firm and clean. Sharp routine. Me not born city fi prove me stance. Me advance. Me challenge system by living free. Let them see. Me discipline itself become protest sign. Clear line. Me peace make tyrant uncomfortable. Undeniable. Calm rebel, steady flame, same aim. Calm rebel, focus sight in our light. Slogan them without action plan. Me man, me build alternative party show. How to grow. It joy itself become defiance move. Hard proof. Me silence sometimes louder than scream. Extreme. Me patience frustrate the violent mind. By design, me can't control, break their expectation chain. No pain, be rebel against fear and self-doubt first. Worst curse, freedom starts inside me chest. Before the rest, ask ourselves if our world change.
Early breeze touch me face slow. Sunrise off the world still low. Me light the fire, me calm my mind. Ancient thoughts come drifting time. Me see them rush for silver and fame. Lose them soul in the game. Me choose the quiet, me choose the truth. Urban meditation shape me youth. Smoke curl I like prayer go up. Me sip life from a humble cup. No crown pon head but me walk tall. Jah voice whisper through it all. Babylon chat but me no reply. Me eyes open, them can't blind eye. Every puff slow down the race. Me learn patience, me learn grace. Book and herb and rhythm play. Teach me more than words them say. Me burn not for escape pain. Me burn for overstand the chain. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear my sight, sharpen my dream. Me reason with my brethren deep. Some laugh loud, some barely speak. Every story carry scar. Every man know who them are. Smoke unite, the mind them wide. Ego drop, no place for pride. No preach upon, no golden throne. Just life lesson, fully grown. Me see the moon, reflect panting. Same light shine from deep within. Night cool, me heart still warm. Herb keep me calm in every storm. Me now worship the smoke alone. Me worship truth, me overstand. Plant a seed, give thanks. Move slow, let Jah work, let wisdom grow. Oh, slow fire, steady flame. No rush life, no chase name. Every breath a sacred sign. Everything come right on time. Chalice and wisdom side by side. Truth and fire, me no hide. Chalice and wisdom pure and clean. Clear me sight, sharpen me dream. Me wake up to the mountain cry. Birds them sing under the sky. Why now whisper through the leaves? Life ja weave. Me kneel pan sal, me feel the tone. Earth now alone. Every heartbeat from the ground. Sacred sound. Me hear the river talk at night, flowing with Jah light. It tell me truth me can't ignore. We need to love more. Me see the trees reach for sun, all life one. Me chant for healing, chant for peace, make hate cease. Me see mankind lose the way, destroy what just stay. Them poison the land, the air, the sea. Forget Jah decree. But still the earth forgive and give. Teach how to live. She cry but still she sing again. Wash away pain. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. Me plant me seed, me watch it grow, slow but sure me know. Me feel the pulse beneath me feet, Jah rhythm sweet. Me chant fi balance, chant fi love, Jah above. Every raindrop tell me so, let it flow. Me walk through field of green delight, soul feel light. Me see the rainbow bless the sky, spirit high. Earth a temple, sky the dome, we all home. Me give thanks for every day, Yahweh. Listen close, the earth still speak in the mountain peak. In the breeze, the song still true, calling you. No one, no greed can stay. Earth find a way. Chant of the earth, rise and sound. Circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. I and chant of the earth, echo divine, spirit align. Let the world remember she, mother of we. Ay, 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 ay. So when the night silent deep, earth still keep Jah voice in every grain of sand. Bless this land. No, 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 Morning breeze carry the rhythm slow. Every heartbeat tuned to the flow. Me step out steady, mind open wide. Catch the rhythm as it start to glide. From corner shop to the hillside steep. Music echo where the spirits keep. People gather when the drum them call. Big or small, it unite them all. Me hold the vibes like a sacred flame. Lift up the youth where forget them name. Strength return when the roots tune rise. Glow like dawn in the sleepy skies. Old men hum a forgotten tune. Young blood move to the afternoon. Songs are heal where the world can mend. Every note like a long time friend. Me feel the burden ease off me chest. Sound wave lift me above the rest. Harmony be like a mountain strong. Carry the weary through the day long. Rise up the sound wave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore. Feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the sound wave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. One vibration, all we tight. Guide the path into the light. Me hear the market clash with June. Children dance in the afternoon. Vibes collide but create one line. Steady groove of a holy sign. Voices blend like a woven thread. Lift the living, bless the dead. Me see resilience in every face. Steady steps in a humble pace. Night descend but the spirit stay. No darkness push the sound away. From yard to yard it resonate. Break down wall where divide we fate. Roots musician tune the night. Guide the people back to light. Every beat rebuild the soul. Help the broken become whole. Hold firm, keep strong. Sound wave guide we all along. Through the struggle, through the rain. Music ease the hidden pain. Forward steps, steady path. Lift the present, heal the past. Rise up the sound wave, roll it far. Light up the spirit like morning star. Every nation, every shore. Feel the heartbeat at the core. Rise up the sound wave, loud and clean. Wash off trouble where we never seen. Flow through the valley, high and deep. Wake the silent from them sleep. Rise up the sound wave, keep it strong. Carry the people all day long.
Yeah, Zion, inna the puff, yeah, man. Me pack the van and me leave the town. Too much noise, me can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, Me mind feel free, me spirit chant like a sacred tree. Pon the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. Pon the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's hall. This are the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youth live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow. Like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map. Just ears for listen and time for nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner hold a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay on the rhythm for a while. I tell pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me welter with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under just sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. Pon the roots highway, come what may.
Ay, ay, ay. Stasik and Jurassic. Oh, 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 oh. Ay, ay, ay. Me hear a drum beat call me name. Ancient flame, me feel it deep inside me chest. Jah manifest. Every tone a heartbeat strong. Me belong. Drum talk truth, the tongue can't say night and day. Echo bounce cross hill and street. Spirit meet, me moving rhythm steady and sure. Me pure, voice of the drum no lie, it testify. Me see the children sway along to just song. Them learn the steps of peace and fire. Live higher, every strike a prayer send. No end, drum carry message wide across the tide. It voice of the drum call again, heal the pain. Ay, ay, ay. Voice of the drum speak Jah truth, guide the youth. Me build me rhythm pon the ground, sacred sound. Me close me eyes, me vision fly to the sky. Me see ancestor smile, for a while. Drum beat up on the way, every day. When silence fall pon town, me turn it round. Drum call unity rise, no disguise. Every man and woman here, drop the fear. Voice of the drum me keep in a me sleep. Boom boom, truth in sound, rebirth found. Every hit a prayer call, heal we all. Drum a drum of peace never cease. Ay, ay, ay. Voice of the drum call again, heal the pain. Ay, ay, ay. Voice of the drum speak the truth, guide the youth. Ay, ay, ay. Voice of the drum beat divine, line to line. Ay, ay, ay. Voice of the drum set free eternally. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. So when the night feel still and numb, listen the drum, it's your heartbeat inside, we abide. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Kaya smoke with Zion. Reggae man. In the garden tall and wide, sacred tree of Zion high, roots so deep in holy ground, branches spread for miles around, every leaf a story tell, sacred tree remember well, Babylon fire can't consume, sacred tree forever bloom, children play beneath the shade, sacred tree where peace is made, elders sit and chant a song, sacred tree keep people strong, not in palace, not in throne, sacred tree forever known, every fruit a gift from Jah, sacred tree uphold the law, birds a sing upon the limb, sacred tree a righteous hymn, river flow beside the root, sacred tree bear holy fruit, generations come and go, sacred tree still grow and grow, never bending, never gone, sacred tree keep carrying on, storm may rage and axe may swing, still the tree of Zion cling, not of timber, not of gold, sacred tree the prophet stole, every shade a place of rest, sacred tree protect the blessed, Babylon plan can destroy, sacred tree bring joy, children climb and mothers pray, sacred tree show righteous way, fathers chant and nations bow, sacred tree forever now, from creation till today, sacred tree guide every way, everlasting, strong and free, Zion root in sacred tree, grow, sacred root, bearing fruit of holy truth, rise, branches high, sacred tree reach the sky, sacred tree of Zion land, planted by the holy hand, fruit of life, shade of peace, sacred tree where war shall cease.
na 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 na. Peace for the world. Me hear the cry from deep within. Jack all the people we begin. No silence, no fear. Truth and freedom draw near. Me walk the street with me head high. Jah power never lie. Every sound from drum and bass carry the voice of the human race. Them try fi hush, them try fi hide, but truth stand by my side. Me chant for justice, me chant for right. Jah light forever bright. Me hear the mothers, hear the youth. All them sing one truth. Me see the fire in the eyes. Jah promise never dies. From the valley to the sea, voice of people set we free. No chain, no wall, no gate can hold back the faith. We hear
voice of the people strong. Sing the freedom song.
one heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame. Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky. Me hear the rhythm through the crowd. The chant a sound so proud. Every beat a revolution call. Every soul stand tall. Me chant for peace, me chant for love. Blessings fall from above. Me see the nation start to rise. Hope shining in them eyes. Together strong, together true. Jah work for me and you. Me hear the spirit deep inside. Jah voice me only guide. No more chains, no more pain. Freedom come again. We
Voice of the people strong.
yeah.
Sing the freedom song.
One heart, one soul, one flame. Jah power no man tame.
Rise up high. Lift your voice to the sky.
So let the voice forever ring. Peace and love we bring. One love, one heart, one song. Together we rise, we stand strong. Na. We test the tree them every year. Still here. Round remember every step. No regret. Them try erase we come before. Closed door, but memory living, flesh and bone, well known. Me lineage strong like iron chain. No shame, roots dig deep where truth remain. No drain, trend come quick then disappear. Not sincere, but foundation lasts through time. Strong spine. Me nah beg for temporary praise. Short days, me stand firm pan ancestral line design. Roots still stand through storm and test. Solid chest. Roots still stand, them not decay. Here fi stay. Me speak slow but word them heavy. Ready, silent, sharp and more than noise. Wise choice. Me not shout fi prove my place. Firm base, history breathing on my tone. One throne from dust to dust, but spiritual outlast all. Me walk careful pon borrow land. Understand. Roots no trend, roots no phase. Endless days, them live on when hide done fade unshaken. When storm rage and fire fall, roots hold all. What built in truth can break.
no mistake. Roots still stand, true storm and test, solid chest. Roots still stand, them not decay, if we stay. None after me vibes don't fade. Rose remain. Zion Reggae, man. Me rise up early, sun a kiss me face. Praise to Jah, me start with grace. No nights, just breeze pon the hill. Me cup full, me soul stay still. The fire blaze, me brew me tea. Read from the scrolls, fi set me free. Me plant me foot on sacred ground. Heartbeat echo like Naya Bingi sound. Roots man rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Me no follow vanity road. Me build me life by natural code. Me till the soil and plant the seed. Not just herb but spiritual need. Me chant the name of Jah Most High. Him day in the breeze and deep blue sky. Each day a lesson me learn and grow. Roots man where the only way me know. Roots man rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Drummer beat, me foot them move. Me in a Zion, healing groove. Me nah run race for the system game. Me chant for truth, not just fame. Me born illusion, me born the lie. Me lift me eyes to the open sky. Roots man rise in a morning light. We born the darkness, chant the right. Me see me people wake from sleep. The chains break, the knowledge deep. Me reason with elders under tree. Them say son keep Jah company. Me hold the vibe, me pass it on. From generation until Babylon gone. Me chant and blaze till me days complete. Roots man rise in a Zion beat. Roots man rise with the ancient fire. Truth in a soul and heart desire. Lion path, me trod it through. Jah light guide everything me do. Roots man rise in a morning dew. Heart stay clean and purpose new. Ragga, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Underwater deep and wide, river stones in silence hide. Every stone a memory old, song of ages still retold. Current hum a melody, river chant eternity. Every ripple soft and clear, stone of wisdom echo near. Traveler rest beside the stream, river stone reflect his dream. Every glimmer catch the light, song of mercy pure and bright. Babylon nights begin to fade, river stone by Jah was made. Every pebble along, river sing the freedom song. La, 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 la. Stone so small, hear the whisper, hear the call. Every sound a sacred key, unlock truth eternally. Stormy rage and waters rise, stone remain beneath the skies. Everlasting, bold and true, river stone still shine for you. Farmer wash the soil away, river stone reveal the day. Every color born of flame, river stone declare your name. No corruption stain its hue, river stone forever new. Every piece a prayer of light, song of Zion burns so bright. Stone reflect the sight, every word a crystal sound. River wisdom all around, no illusion, no disguise. River stone open the eyes, every tone a holy vow. River chant the spirit now, even night cannot conceal. River stone forever real, generations pass along. River keep the ancient song, from creation till today. River stone still show the way, ever pure and ever strong. River the endless song, when the tide at last subside. River stone still standing pride, every echo soft yet sure. River truth will still endure, bound by time yet always free. River stone eternity, sacred gem of love divine. River chant till end of time. Flow, flow, mighty stream. River stone reflect the dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River the holy light. Song of the river stones low and sweet, sing of the truth beneath our feet. Never fading, never gone. River chant from dusk till dawn, for our glowing, bold and free. River stone, old destiny, sacred chorus strong and true. River sing for me and you.
no me no in a garden ray. Jah bless the world, yeah man. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Na 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 na. Yeah, yeah. Me open me eye pan golden ray. Jah bless the start of every day. From the mountain come the call. Stand firm, don't fall. The morning breeze whisper soft. Lift me spirit aloft. Every dawn a brand new fight. But love bring light. Me walk through fire, me walk through rain. Still me chant through pain. Them build wall fi hold me down, but Jah give me crown. Me see the people tired and broke, under the system choke, but the sun still rise again. Wash away the stain. Me keep me heart clean, me mind pure, faith endure. Me hear the elder voice inside. Rasta youth can't hide. The path rough but still me trod, guided by the rod of God. Me no bow to no false king. Me let the spirit sing. Even when the world feel cold, me soul stay bold. Spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine upon the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. We see the youth them searching wide. Truth can't hide. Them hungry for the higher plan. Them ready fi stand. Me tell them love can't fade. Jah creation well made. Each man a temple, each soul divine. Like the sun, we shine. Me chant upon the mountain high. Lift me voice to the sky. Me see the clouds start move away. Light up the day. Me feel Jah glory deep within. Burn out the sin. Me spirit dance, me eyes awake. A new dawn fi make. Even when the night look long, me sing Jah song. When Babylon try mash me faith, me rise, me create. The spirit of the sun never fade. It light the path Jah made. From east to west, the flame still run. One creation, one sun. Yeah, spirit of the rising sun, Jah lighting everyone. Shine up on the righteous way, guide me night and day. Spirit of the rising flame, burn the lies and shame. Lift me soul, me heart, me hand, heal the land. Spirit of the sun, forever rise. Truth reflect in me eyes. No shadow strong enough to stay. Light, show the way. Me rest me mind when day is done. Thank Jah for the rising sun. Till me breath me final tone. Me know me never alone. Spirit of the sun.
Na 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 Jamaica hashish man.
always paint the sky with gold. Story of Jah love retold. Every hilltop blaze with light, chase away the shadow night. Birds are sing for brand new day. Jah light guide we on the way. Over valley, over plain, Jah mercy fall like healing rain. Jah light over hills, warm the heart, calm the chills. Every soul come alive. With Jah love we survive. Me climb the hill at break of dawn. Me see creation shining strong. River glisten, earth rejoice. Me hear Jah calling in the voice. Clouds apart to show the land, blessed by Jah mighty hand. Every color paint the sky. Jah light lift me spirit high. Even when the storm cloud form, Jah light keep the spirit warm. Me know the morning soon will come with Naya Bingi holy drum. Babylon try to dim the glow, but Jah light always show. Truth a shine like crystal stream, guide me forward in Jah dream. From the market to the shore, people feel the light once more. Children dancing morning beams, like them walking in Jah dreams. Every smile a blessing true, Jah light shining through and through. No chain can bind, no wall can block. Jah light are the solid rock. Rise up children, rise up strong. Jah light carry we along. Over mountain, over sea, Jah light set the captives free. Fire blaze but never burn. To Jah light we always turn. Nightfall come but still me see Jah light shining endlessly. It not fade, it not tire. Lift me soul like holy fire. Over hills through every mile, Jah light keep me heart in smile. Till the trumpet of Zion blow, Jah light guide me where me go. Jah light over hills, warm the heart, calm the chills. Every soul come alive. With Jah love we survive. From sunrise till the day is done, Jah light shine for everyone.
Aye, aye, aye. Rasta Nation, man. Hey, me step on lion path again. No fear, no chain. Every breath I am, every day I win. Me walk tall in Jamaica, eyes full of light. Me climb mountain, me cross sea, Jah walk with me. Me face trial, me face storm, but my spirit warm. My heart steady like drum. Better day come, no wicked tongue can't swear. Me trudge away, me see the snake whisper lies. Still me fly, me see them plot in a dark. Me spark, me wear truth like crown. Never bow down, each step me take bold. Me soul gold, the lion roar inside me soul. Keep control, me no crawl pan belly for man. Me follow Jah plan, me move with humble pride. Spirit guide, no fear of the night. Me walk with light, me learn to watch and wait. Me no tempt fate. The lion path rough still but strong will. Me stand when others fall, Jah call. Me carry me truth alone like stone. Here on the lion path me go, where the strong roots grow. True valley deep and sky, so I Jah by my side. On lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear. Jah always near, Jah by my side. Jah by my side, Jah by my side. Yeah, me rest by the ancient tree, hear the prophecy. My spirit connect with ground, holy sound. The breeze carry my pain away, my pray. Each scar tell story true, what me been through. Me rise each time I fall, Jackal. The lion inside no sleep is promise keep. Me guard my mind from sin, strength within. Every roar I praise, Jah ways. Me stand on the cliff edge, I touch the sky. Me roar with truth and might, Jah light. Me see the wicked tremble low, them can't grow. Me roar for peace, me roar for love, from above. Me no fear the dark or pain, Rasta rain. Me no turn back for none, me done way upon the lion path me go. Where the strong roots grow, true valley deep and sky. So why Jah by my side, for lion path me stay. Night or day, faith and courage me wear, Jah always near. So when me read Zion Gate, me celebrate, on the lion path me find peace of mind.
Ay, ay, ay. Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Deep where sea and lightning meet, ocean fire beneath your feet. Every wave a spark of flame, every drop a sacred name. Fish a see the glow below, ocean whisper, tides them flow. From the depths come voice so clear, truth of Jah ever near. Elders stand up on the sand, ocean fire bless the land. Every breeze a hymn so sweet, heat and water now compete. No illusion, no more chain, ocean fire cleanse the pain. Every tide a holy psalm, ocean bring eternal calm. Sailor gaze into the blue, see the fire burning true. Every spark a sign of grace, ocean hold the sacred place. Babylon ship may rust away, ocean fire forever stay. Every storm become a prayer, ocean flame still burning there. Go it right by lantern light, ocean fire ignite the night. Every verse a shining wave, every thought a soul to save. Even darkness find its glow, ocean fire still below. Ever bright, forever free, burning deep beneath the sea. Shall them laugh up on the shore, ocean fire bless them more. Every heart ignite with love, like the stars in sky above. From creation till the end, ocean fire our faithful friend. Everlasting, pure and grand, ocean blaze across the sand. Burn, burn through the sea, light of hope and unity. Rise, rise, golden high, ocean flame will never die. Ocean fire bright and pure, cleanse the world and make it sure. Never fading, never gone, light of Zion carry on. Ever shining, fierce and free, ocean flame eternity. Water, fire, heart and sky, Jah creation sanctified.
the fear. Golden steps soon appear. Me say the youth look far and wide, searching part them can't decide. World a spin with worry tight, but me show them spark of light. Ancient wisdom hiding tune, play it soft or play it soon. Guide the mind like gentle tide, lead them through the changing ride. Jai. Full of voices day and night, some are sorrow, some are bright. Me walk slow, me listen deep, hear the promise life must keep. People stumble, people rise, hope reflecting weary eyes. Golden steps mark every way, truth reveal when rhythm play. Golden steps of tomorrow shine, lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong, keep the youths them moving long. Forward trod with steady stride, let the wisdom be your guide. Me watch the hillside turn to gold, like story elders always told. Strength return through season tough, teach the heart to stay enough. People join from far and near, share the blessings, cancel fear. Golden glow cover the land, warm each heart and every hand. Every hand. Oh. Yeah. Crowd unite when the nightfall bend, share the journey without end. Missy mother hold her child, calm him with a whisper mile. Missy elder smile again, free at last from hidden pain. Golden steps rise high and clear, show the pathway we hold dear. Take courage, keep faith, time will open every gate. No matter how the worries stay, tomorrow find a brighter way. Golden steps of tomorrow shine, lead the people in a holy line. Every burden, every tear fade away when hope draw near. Golden steps of tomorrow strong, keep the youths them moving long. March together hand in hand, build a future for the land. Golden steps, pure and true, lift the spirit true and true. When the night I feel too long, sing the golden morning song. Step by step we rise again, walk the path beyond the pain. Gentle light, bless sight, but see my low with natural tone, homegrown. Morning fresh like clean slate, perfect state. They wash me face in cool water, flow ready fig up, fruit bomb plate. Earth by me and simple plan, life rich when pure and plain. No chain, me no need sugar for me joy, natural boy. Urban food comes straight from land, Chaplain. Body listen when mind stays still, true skill, every bite a healing verse. No curse, I tell morning, clean and bright, start me life. I tell morning, strength inside, mature pride. Missy bird them argue pon the wire, no desire. Them live free without excess, no stress. Me learn lesson from them way every day. Steady, firm and slow, let them know. Elta well behind, gold shine, divine sign. I tell living, keep it clear, far from fear. When body clean, spirit's deep, strong like deep. Food is prayer in a fire. Keep warm. I tell morning, clean and bright. Starving life. I tell morning, strength inside. Natural pride. As the sun climb higher still, the heart fully.
Na 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 na. The na 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 na. Me step in a garden, cool and bright. Blessed sight, me smell the herb, me feel the peace. Sweet release, Jah, and in every leaf me see harmony. Me plant my seed with love and care. Open ear, every root, whole life so tight. Pure light, no poison, no greed, me sow. Just grow, Jah garden, bloom wide and clear. Me draw near, me see the butterfly and bee. Work naturally, them no rush, them flow in tune. Sun and moon, me learn to live same way. Each day, Jah garden teach me grace. In this place, Jah garden bloom. Color bright, full of light. Jah garden bloom. Sweet and strong, right every wrong. Me share the fruit with my brethren round. Blessed sound, me teach the youth fi till the land. By Jah hand, no hunger, no hate me preach. Just reach Jah garden, truth and song. Keep me strong, me sit and reason with my queen. Peaceful scene, she smile and say life's sweet. When heart meet, we build Jah world again. Free from pain, Jah garden bloom forevermore. Love restore, me no war with nature me flow. Jah know every bloom a scripture clear. Fi all ear, Jah garden feed the soul. Make we all Jah garden bloom. Color bright, full of light. Jah garden bloom. Sweet and strong, right every wrong. Jah garden bloom. Wide and fair, love everywhere. Jah garden bloom. Morning dew, life renew. So when me gone from this earth, remember Jah birth. Plant love, plant truth in the youth. Jah garden bloom again, without end. Rock every round.